Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Witchy Sister. Today I'm super excited because a friend of mine who I met through the Witches Box Deep Dive sent me this box, and it finally came today. As you can tell, it's from Canada. I am so excited about this. I am also putting a box together for her to send. I just kind of like it because it's kind of like having a pen pal, but we talk on the phone. I don't know. I know that's weird. But anyways, this box she sent me was one that she got from Spiral Rain. I guess she got 2 of them and sent me one. But there's also some extra goodies on top that she said she added. I did ask her if it was okay if I opened this and posted it on my channel, and she said yes. So, onward we go. Uh-oh. I don't subscribe to Spiral Rain, so I'm really excited to see what's in this box, but I'm also super excited to see what she sent me. Let me make sure there's... Okay. Little spark to align with the universe. That's what it says right here. I like that. I'm going to write that in my journal. That's really pretty. I like that. Okay. So there is a Spiral Rain book. Hey. Ooh. So this is Crystal Healing Gemstones for Spiritual Wellness. I think this is something she sent me. That's really cool. I like this. Let's see. Oh, how pretty. Aww. I like that a lot. It's got a bunch of different gemstones, and then it tells what it is over here on this side. There's red jasper, green aventurine, sodalite, unakite. Ooh, labradorite. I've been wanting this stone. Hematite, snowflake obsidian, which is also one of my favorites. Rose quartz, tiger's eye, yellow aventurine, amethyst, rock quartz. Awesome. Aww. And then a cool little necklace to put some of the crystals in, and then to wear around my neck. Oh, this is a pretty rock. I'm not sure what that one is, though. That's really pretty. I'll have to ask her. And then, what is this? Oh my gosh, it's a bear! Oh my gosh, power and strength. Oh, totem pendant. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put this on right now. Oh my gosh. Oh! Okay. I like that. She knows how much I like Native American things. Ooh, this is so pretty. It's a little incense burner. It's heavy. It's made out of a rock. And it's got the sun on it. That's so pretty. Ooh, I love that. Okay. Ooh, white sage. Can never go wrong with white sage, right? And cinnamon. Oh, that smells so good. You know, thank you, because I've never burnt cinnamon before, so I'm excited to see what it smells like when it's burning. Alright, and then there's some like straw stuff in here. It's kind of interesting. I like that. Natural fibers. I can definitely put this in my fire starting kit. Definitely. Gotta set that aside. And we got a bundle of cinnamon. Oh gosh. I love cinnamon. I put cinnamon in my coffee every morning. And this is rose mesquite. Oh gosh, I can't open it. Really? Rose mesquite. That's cool. And this is, oh, cardamom. I love cardamom. This is so good. I use ground cardamom when I'm cooking. It's really, really good. It's a really good spice. Okay, this is Damiana. Very cool. Oh, I like these jars. Or they're not jars, they're plastic, but I like it. And it's packed full of Damiana. The labels are really pretty too. And rose. I like rose. I do a lot of love, like self-love spells, so I really like roses for that. And oh, I don't even know how to pronounce that. But that's cool. Oh, that's what it looks like on the back. I'll have to look up this herb. That's really cool though, because it gives me something new to add to my herb book. And then we have 3 candles. So we have red, white, and pink. Little chime candles. Oh my gosh. Shut the front door. Botanical Witchery, the Herbal Guide of the Modern Witch. Oh my gosh. I've been getting a lot of botanical and herb things related lately, and so I'm just taking that as a sign that that is my jam, because I actually study like horticulture and herbs, and I did a native plant and tree ID class. I wanted to be a fish and game warden, so I took a lot of forestry classes, and then they closed the forestry program, but I didn't want to quit going to school, so I went and continued on and actually got a degree in horticulture and plant science, and some agriculture degrees as well. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you so much. That was, aww, that was so beautiful. Aww. Okay, so recap. We got the Botanical Witchery, an herbal guide for the modern witch. We got the Rose and Damiana. We got this herb, which I apologize, I'm not even going to try to pronounce, because I know I will butcher it. Okay, and then we got cardamom, which is a awesome cooking spice, and we got rose mesquite, and cinnamon incense cones, white sage incense cones, this beautiful, incense burner that'll fit the cones perfectly in, the totem pendant, this crystal pendant to put crystal rocks in, the crystal healing gems for spiritual wellness, the little bundle of cinnamon, the 3 chime candles, red, white, and pink, And there was a little rock. The booklet. Oh, here's the rock. And then this little gem, which I'm not sure what it is, but it's pretty. It's like a pretty green. Alright. Thank you so much. This was so beautiful. I can't wait to send you the box that I'm putting together for you. I really think that just from us talking on the phone and video chatting, that the items that I pick out for her are going to fit her perfect. I will also do a video on the box that I send for her, but I won't post that video until I know for sure she gets it, because I don't want it to spoil the box for her. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I sure did. And then if you wanted to look at the totem pendant again, that's it. It's beautiful. I love the bear. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload videos. And I'm going to be doing some rituals and some spell work. Like I said, I am a new witch, or baby witch, however you want to call it. I don't have a label on my witchcraft. It's just my craft, the Witchy Sister craft. I guess I'm more of an intuitive witch, and I can't wait to get those videos up and going for you guys. It's going to probably be a lot of trial and error, because like I said, my first year of deciding to go down this path, I just read books for a full year. That's all I did. And I was reading 3 books a month for 12 months, studying and reading up and learning and educating myself more about the craft. And for 2021, I decided I was actually this was something I wanted to do and I wanted to pursue. So here I am. And this is my journey. So, like I said, like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and until next time, blessed be. Because I'm truly blessed to have a friend as amazing as this, to send me something so beautiful from a whole nother country, Canada, right? It's another country. All right, thank you guys. Till next time, blessed be.